Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now in this video we are going to look at another arrays medium level question. Now although it is tagged in arrays, but it is more of a map and set kind of question. So let's jump into the question, what it says, and then we'll try to understand like how we are going to solve this. So I have already written what the first example and what it says, so we'll understand it by the example. So what we are given here is that we are given an array, a 2D array, and it has each array inside the array has an array with two values. So one is going to be the id and second is going to be minute. Now what this id is? So if you'll see this id, it indicates that this user id was active at this particular minute. Okay, that is what it says. So 0 was active at 5th minute, 1 was active at 2nd minute, and so on. So what we want to find over here is that we need to find the unique active minutes of a user. Okay, first thing that we need to find is the unique active minutes of a user. Okay, and what is the total unique active minute of a user, and how many users had that many total active minutes. It is complex to understand, so let's break it down. So let's say we have 0 index, we have 1 index, 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, we have only two IDs right now. 0 was active at 5th minute, 1 was active at 2nd minute, 0 was active at 2nd minute, 0 is active at 5th minute. But since we already have 5th minute, it is not unique, so we are not going to add it again. And 1 was active at 3rd minute. Okay, so this is our ID. This is our unique active minutes. Okay, these are the unique active minutes. How many unique active minutes are there? 2. For this also 2. 1 2 1 2. Okay, now how many users have this unique active minutes? 1 2. Okay, this we have to add in our answer array. How are we going to add this? Okay, how are we going to add this? So basically what they're asking is that this answer array, it is one indexed array. That means it starts from 1. Okay, and we have to find the total number of users with unique active minutes equals to this index. Okay, so how many users have unique active minutes as 1? So we have 2. We do not have any 1, right? So this is going to be 0. How many users have unique active minutes? 2. So we have 1 and 2. This is 2. This is 2. How many do we have? 2. So we are going to write it 2. Do we have any 3? No. 4? No. 5? No. Okay, it is really that simple. If you did not understood this, let's take another example. Example number 2 that is given to us. This is going to change, and this will also change. This k, it signifies the length of our answer. Okay, the second example that is given 4 1 1 2 2 2 3. How many IDs do we have? 1 and 2. What is the unique active minutes for 1? Only 1. For 2 it is 2 and 3. Okay, how many unique active minutes this have? 1. How many unique active minutes this has? 2. 1 2. Okay, now we need to find this value. How many total users have unique active minutes equals to 1? We have only 1, so we are going to write it 1 over here. How many users have unique active minutes? 2. We have only 2 here. Okay, only one value, so we are going to write 1. For 3 we do not have any 3. 4 also we do not have any 4. Okay, so I hope you understood this, what the question is asking for. Okay, now let's jump into the theory part, like how are we going to solve this. So if you see over here, let me write it down again. 0 and the first example. Okay, 2 and 5, 2 and 3. Okay, this looks like a map. Okay, where this is our key and this is our value. Okay, Also, if you will see, the value that we have, it is in the form of a set because we want only unique elements. Okay. So for that, what we are going to do is that we'll create a map whose key is going to be integer and whose value is going to be a set. Okay. And what we'll do is that whatever value do we get at this particular key, we'll add it in the set. Okay. So at the end, we will get a map of 2, 5. 1 is going to point to 2, 3. Okay. And after this, what we are going to do, let me write it down. The answer is going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We will find the size of this and we will decrement decrement one value. Why 1? Because this is one indexed. Okay. No matter what kind of index the question is asking for, the computer is always going to take the array as 0 indexed. Okay. So for value 2, we want to insert the value at index 1. That's why we are negating 1 over here. Okay. And we will the size of this will add it to that particular value. We'll find the size and negate 1, and at that particular index we'll increment a value. So this is 2 right now. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. So index 1 will increment. We find another 2. We'll negate 1. That is 1 again. We'll increment. So this will become 2. All other values are going to be 0. Okay. Now I hope you understood this, and you can try to code it by yourself. It's really simple. If not, then we can jump into the code part. Okay, so let's go through that. Okay, so the first thing that we need over here is our result vector, right? So let's create that. Okay, and I'm also going to specify the size, that is going to be k. Now the next thing that we need over here is our map. Okay, so let me create that as well, and it is going to have set. Okay, and this is going to be, and let me say this as m. Okay, now another thing that we need to do is that let's go through our logs. Okay, so what we are going to do is that I'll do the for each loop, right? Okay, and I will go through logs, and what we'll do here is that at index of map, which one? Temp of 0, because this is our ID, right? I will insert temp of 1. Okay, it's really that simple, and our half of the task is already done. And after this, what we'll do, we'll go through our map. How are we going to do that? Since this map is nothing but a pair, right? So I will create that pair of int comma set of int. Okay, and let me say this is temp, and we are going to go through our map. Okay, now we need to add in our result at what value. So first we'll go to the temp and temp's second value. Okay, second is our set, right? So we'll go through second dot size -1, and we will increment this. Okay, and at the end I will simply return our result. So it's done. Let me submit this. Okay, so it's really that simple, and it's really that easy. All we needed to do was to understand how the map and set works. So yeah, I hope you liked this and understood this, and you learned something new. And yeah, that's it for this video. And do let me know if you have any other problems for me to solve from any other platform. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.